Oh yeah, girls can take me. Oh yeah, girls can take me. Because I'm about to motherfucking buy some more shit. Did y'all think? Oh, I'm just kidding. I do not have no money. Or do I? Oh, let me sell all this shit. What the fuck? Platinum doodle scroll? Oh, I got a lot of these. Sell all this shit. Don't care. Anyone in the chat that wants to let me know if this is like valuable down the line and I'm gonna need it? Too late. I'm selling all this shit because I want to buy more things. Don't care. I'm gonna need this in like 20 seconds. Watch. Knowing me. But more Naruto. Yes, give me the money. Okay, her. Now I have 4 million things. Back to everybody's favorite pastime. Buy more costumes. Okay.
Need a man. No tea, no shade, no pink lemonade.
Didn't ask, don't care, plus.
This is a 0 out of 10.
No! Do I... Dookie. Doo-doo out of 10. Let's see, let's go in order. Okay, I'd rather get Madara, Suigetsu, Jugo, fine. Madara, sure. Confirm. Yes. Come on, I have the title of rich. That's a lie. Okay. Kakashi. Yes. Yamato. Hidan. Ooh, hello Hidan. Itachi with a hat. Oh. Kisame with a hat. The Hat Sisters. Sasori, give me Chio. All these Hat Sisters.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas. Hemos llamado al antiguo poder.
Enough. Okay. Ooh, yes. I want these sisters too. Come on. The clownery. The three-eyed sister has arrived. We are buying, and your favorite, more school uniforms. From the Dushinji, where Naruto is the disgruntled, bullied child that Sasuke gets the BL. We're ready. Not... My sister said, boo, fuck that shit. Ooh, kimono Naruto, though. Okay, bye, yes, give me all of this, might as well. Sure. Yes, confirm. Okay, I think about everything. Naruto looks like he about to jump in for milk money. Jump me for milk money, no. Okay, so I got all the costume marus. Wait, or did I? Who is that?
So I am Confucian.
Okay, whatever. Not Pirate Naruto. Dookie, right. I need to... And I know we're back once again. Once again, the motherfucking... the Crimson purchasing. I just want all of Tayuyu's. Not Hinata Dudu. Boruto. Right here. Okay, so yes. Wait. Why can I only get that one? Oh. Not I need more money. Okay. Back to selling these. Girl, I got a lot of these. Looking for the One Piece. Right. Naruto Uzumaki, the One Piece diva. Baroque. Okay. Baroque. Can we talk about Mr. 2? 20 out of 10. That's right. 22 out of 10. Okay. Bye. Dude, got it. Broke. Broke sisters. Okay. Go over here. I'm gonna buy these one at a fucking time. So I can fucking... Doodoo Hinata, because queers never die. Right. Okay, so... Hold on. Yes, yes. Yes. Okay, did I buy it or not? Okay, love that. Can they please tell me if I bought it or not? Okay, so let's buy all the Sound Ninjas. Yes. Okay, that's fine. Buying all the things. Yes, confirm. Love that for you. My sister is literally like, BRB, bitch. I'm not watching you do homework. Bitch. I'm just buying boys. Little whatever cards. Okay, I don't care. Ooh, do I care about Kimimaro? Do I? Kimimaro, you'll die here by my... Okay. Sure. Finishing cut image, Mecha Naruto. Okay, Tayuya, yes. Yes, Sakon, Ukon, give me all of these. Okay, did I get them though? Yes, per Salad O'Hara. Okay, Doogie. Substitution items, I got all those. Titles. Do I need? Oh. No, I like my doo-doo. Anyways. Card picture. Are there any good ones? Okay, so far I don't have shit. Bitch, I can't buy nothing. Ugh. Go to bed. Anyways. Okay, so I think I got it. Now she's broke. Shut up. Okay, so how you can listen? I don't want to. Okay, goodbye. Got it. Okay, so I bought everything. So now let's play the lottery. What did I fucking get? Oh, not Mad Naruto. Like, I'm so fucking annoyed. Yes, thank you. I got 15 golden shurikens. That's right. You shall win. Right. Bitch, it's doo-doo shit. I don't care about this. Next. Oh, yeah. Now we gotta do these. I forgot. Okay. So my ultimate team. Right. Boo. Right. Bitch, shut the fuck up. I'm trying to get my little characters together. Tainyunis. Okay. So the first one, what is this one? What is this?
You killed it.
Die. Okay. I like that picture better. This is all of these sound like my sister. Okay, come on, Morata. I think I like that one or that one. She said a lot more than just die. Right. Listen, the translation said we are paying you one thing. I'll use this one as the first one. Okay, confirm. And then substitution item. Let's use model golem. Sure. I like this little clay sister. Okay, and then I like this one. Okay, and then this one will be a yaoi. Right. That one. A yaoi book. Not a yaoi book. Okay, so this one will be... Ew, some of these are doing... The Haunted. I'll give her a fan to curse her with... That's the shit that killed you, bitch. And then the last one... Let me see. I like this one. I like Stank. Okay. And then... What am I gonna give her? Oh, I'll give her a little... Who is she protected by? That one, the Five Tails. That's right. Come on, Tayuya. And then I like Sakon. What the fuck is yours? Oh, what is this? Don't do me. Okay. What is this paragraph, sister? Oh, is this Ukon? Doodoo for the Five Tails. No, don't say that. Okay, I think I like that one or that one. What is this first one? He has a lot to say as the Forgotten Sound Ninja.
Bitch, motherfucker, right? This is World War VI.
Sit down.